So good afternoon, class 8. So
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. So we are going to start our today's class in which we will discuss the looping statement again, right? So let me share my screen, then only you will understand in better way. My screen is visible, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone is getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
So now again, let me tell you the basic things of the looping statement which we have already discussed in the last class. Now this part is the initialization part, or you can say the starting point. Am I clear? Now this is your test condition, or you can say the final value in which we put the condition till where the loop will start from the starting point till the test condition, or you can say the destination point. And this is the increment decrement operator. So here this one is known as the update expression. What is that? This update expression is used to change the value of any variable, maybe by adding something, or maybe by subtracting something, or maybe by multiplying or using division. That depends. So the way through which you are changing the value of any variable, that is known as the update expression. So here I plus plus is your update expression. And now see, so the loop we are starting from 1 to 10, and now I plus plus. So how many times the body will execute? Chaitanya single. Please speak up. How many times, Chetan, the body will execute? Chetan? Chetan is single. Beta, you are not audible. Chetan, your voice is not coming, beta.
He is audible.
Sir, he is speaking.
Okay, Chetan, well done. Very good. So, total number of times the output will come 10 times. So, what you will get 10 times? The value of 5, that is starting from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, dot till 10. So, this is the body where you can write your code which you wanted to execute these number of times. Am I clear? Man Gadia? Gauri? Beta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, in this for statement, what we do, first we will declare the variable before this. Here also you can declare it, but better to declare here, then use that variable. And now see, in this for loop, there must be 2 semicolon. This is a colon. Not the comma, not the colon. Please pay attention here. This is the common mistake which you people have done. Those who have sent the mail me, I have checked that. This is the basic mistakes which you people are doing. Getting my point? So this has to be a semicolon. Don't forget this. And this update expressions. So why we are using I plus? Because we are printing the natural number. Let me show you the output. So the question is to print the natural number. So we are printing the natural number. That is why we are updating the value by 1. But if you want to print all the even number, so what is the first even number?
2.
Yes. So what will be the changes in this code? Who will tell?
Sir, the starting number would be 2 and
Yes.
I equal to I plus 2.
Now see, I equals to I plus 2. There are so many ways which we can write. This is also correct, right? Let me show you. So now you will get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now see, so the output is coming. The output is coming 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Why? Because the starting point we have put it 2, and now the test condition is again same, that is 10. But after 2, what do you want? You are getting 4. How? Because the update expression is adding 2 in the previous value of I. So the previous value of I was 2, and now next time it would be 4. Next time it would be 6, 8, then 10. After that the condition would be false, then it will terminate it. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
So now now see, there is one more way.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait. There is one more way to increase. This is also correct. This way also we can do, but there is no other way. Let me show you this. So like this also the output would be same. Am I clear? So this is the update expression. So this is very important, you should understand. We cannot write I equals to plus 2. This is wrong. This is wrong. I plus this is also wrong. Getting my point?
The correct is I equals to I plus 2.
This I have already mentioned here. This is the correct one. This one is the correct one. Or instead of this you can do I plus equals to 2. This is also correct. Only these two are the correct one. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And now one more thing again, let me repeat. Here these are the semicolon. You people cannot write comma or dot or any other symbol. And please try to declare the variable before using for. And in between this is the body which is going to execute 5 times. In this case it will execute 5 times. That is why you are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So whatever you want to repeat more than once, that things comes under the body, and that body we are supposed to write inside the opening and the closing curly braces. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So now we can do the next question. Please try. Everybody please write down a question. Good afternoon. So next question is, we have to print odd number up to 99. Print all odd number up to 99. Post the solution in the chat box only. Everyone. Beta Chetan, which package you are adding? Package.com.company. What is this? That is not required. Absolutely fine. The solution is absolutely correct. But see, Chetan beta, you can declare the variable before for also. Right? This is the variation which we will do later. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. That is always better way. In that case, you will not miss any marks in the exam. Sometimes you are declaring here, and because of some silly things you can miss some marks. So I don't want that. Hurry up, everybody. Absolutely correct, Keshav Pandey. Aditya is absolutely fine, beta. The question was to print odd number, right? So the first starting point must be 1, last point must be 99, then plus 2. Anusha Tulsian. Who is this Anusha Tulsian? Please try, everyone. Print all odd number up to 99. The question is already there in the chat box. Is it clear, everyone? Please try. Archit Verma is absolutely fine. Riddhi is fine, beta. Very good, Archit. Krinali, absolutely fine, beta. Beta Krinali, that your is wrong. See, you have used I, but you have declared A. Kashvi is fine. Okay, Krinali, please do the correction. Kashish Gupta is correct, beta. Siddhant, absolutely fine. Beta, are you getting my voice? Please respond, na.
Yes, sir.
So why you people are not responding? If I am taking the names, you should respond. Adya Saxena, your is wrong, Adya. Adya Saxena. In the test condition, there must be less than equals to. The symbol is wrong. The symbol is wrong. This has to be symbol. Adya, look at here. This is wrong. It should be like this. Okay? Krinali. But I still wrong, Krinali. The variable you have declared A and you are using I. Yashwardhan Sengar is fine.
Yes, sir.
Ishan Srivastav, the starting point must be I equals to 2. That is wrong. Okay, Ishan? You have put it not equals to. That is wrong, beta. Palak Tripathi, your is correct, beta.
Okay,
So,
sir.
Palak, see, while printing you cannot write plus I. Only I is required.
Okay, sir.
Yashwardhan Sengar, your is correct. Suryansh, your is correct, beta. Suryansh. Soumya, your is also fine. Okay. Soumya, please mute yourself. Archit Verma is fine. Correct, beta. Okay. So let me show you again. Is it visible? The screen?
Yes, sir.
So now here only this needs to be different. Now rest is same. Just a minute, it's hanged. So what do you want? You want to print the natural number. So for printing the natural number, we need to give this without double quotes. If you are giving in this like this, so this is wrong. In this case, you will get only I. For printing the value of I, you need to remove this curly braces. You need to remove this curly braces. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So, let me show you the output. Please see the output. This will come on the separate line. See, is coming. So, this is coming on the separate line. So, the above natural number you can see from the scrolling down. Okay. So, if you want to print, everybody, if you want to print the natural number on the same line, see here. So, how you will print? You will use this print statement, not print ln. Print I, then followed by a single quotation blank. See here, there is a simple blank space must be inside the double quotation mark. That's very, very important. Now let me execute again. Now the output will come on the same line, followed by a single space. Got it? Bacho?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me show you the output. So just a second. Now, see the output. Now the output will come on the same line, separated by a single space. Got it, everyone? Got it, beta? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now one more thing. Some of you, what you people are doing? Suppose you are printing the odd number 1 to 9. So many of you are still doing this. So let me show you the output. So the output would be wrong. Why? Because now you will get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 4 time or 5 time what? The I as it is. because you have given in the double quotation mark. So 5 times you are getting the I, not the value of I. Let me show you. So this is wrong. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So don't give the output in double quotation mark, because if you are giving using this I in double quotation mark, so that means you will get only I, not the value of I. So if you wanted to print the value of I, so what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to remove this double quotation mark. Am I clear? Everyone? Good. Now let me show you one more time the output. See. So the output is coming 13579. Why? Because we have removed double quotation mark. Am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now try the next question. These programs you need to copy in the fair notebook, whatever I am giving you. Now next question is,
Okay, sir.
web to print your name, ten times. Hurry up. Web to print your name 10 times and post the solution in the GCR only.
Okay, sir.
No, sorry, no, not in GCR, in chat box only, beta. Sorry. Just post your solution in the chat box only. Around 70 students have joined till now. It's already 115. Out of 88, only around 70 students have joined. Nivedita Singh. Nivedita,
Yes, sir.
you have joined now?
Sir, there was some connectivity problem.
Okay, no problem, beta. After posting the solution, please let me know, beta, whether you have posted or not. Yes, Chetan is correct. Try to print your name, everyone. Don't print others' name. Don't forget this while posting. Got it? Adit, absolutely fine, Adit. Divyanshi Chaurasia, you have copied. Beta, at least change your name, na? No need to. Archit Verma, you have also copied. But this is not the way. I am giving you, just try to implement your logic. Yes, beta, Bhavani, very good, beta. Archit Verma, you have copied. Divyanshi, you have copied. Siddhant, beta Siddhant, you are not printing anything. That is wrong. There must be your name after println. Am I clear? Siddhant. Beta, please speak up. Okay, Kashish, yours is also correct. Mangedia, correct. Suryansh is absolutely fine. Beta, Suryansh, in string ARGS, S must be capital in string. Keshav Pandey, yours is absolutely fine, beta, very good. Kashvi, correct, beta. Sorry, Kashvi, your update expression is wrong. I plus equals to 1 or I plus plus or I equals to I plus 1. This is wrong, beta, Kashvi. Getting my point, Kashvi? Okay, so next question is, should I explain this question, beta? Speak up. Yash Verma, yours is correct.
Sir, is mine correct?
Ishan, you have not posted beta.
Sir, I have posted in the chat box.
Wait a minute, Ishan. Riddhi, yours is correct. Krinali, yours is also correct. Kinjal, yours is correct. Ishan, Yash Verma. Ishan, yours is wrong, beta. Yours is wrong. Let me show you. Everybody, please pay attention here. So, first of all, in the for loop, what we are supposed to put? How many times you wanted to print your name? So, everybody, please pay attention on the screen. My screen is visible, bachcho? Is it visible? Okay. So, for implementing this code, first of all, we will generate the loop. So, the loop has to generate for 10 times. So, again, the 10 times you can start the loop. The starting point you can use 1, you can use 10, you can use 50. That is up to you. So, I am basically using here I equals to 1 till how many times we wanted to execute? 10 times. And then for the natural number we wanted to generate loop. So, we are doing this I plus plus. So, here what do you want to print? So, here I am wanted to print my name like this. So, whatever your name is there, you can give that name in the double quotation mark. So, now again I am repeating कि whatever you are giving in the body, that part will execute this number of times. How many times? That depends on the update expression. If you are using the natural number loop, so it will execute 10 times. If you are using odd number loop, so it will execute 5 times. Getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now let me show you the output.
Yes,
You can change the name while copying. Don't copy my name in your notebook. So how many times your name will come? 10 times. Because the loop is executing 10 times. Right?
Yes, sir.
Let me show you the output, just a minute. Now the next program I am giving you, try yourself. Write a program. Now see, the name will come 10 times. You can easily count. Am I clear, everyone, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next question which I am going to give you is, write a program. I am writing in the chat box also. Web to print your name and times. It is there in the chat box. Write a program to print your name and number of times. So this n times you need to ask from the user. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The question must be clear, then only you can try.
Sir, can I post in the GCR?
Why? Can't you post in the chat box?
Sir, because it will be lengthy.
No, it will be not lengthy. Ishan, the question is clear or not, which I have told?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Solution.
yes sir.
Please post in the chat box only, beta.
Sir, what is the question, sir?
But a question is there in the chat box. Web to print your name and number of times. So the n is missing. How many times that user has to enter. So input is also required in this question, bachcho. Please pay attention in the question. Web to print your name and times. Are you getting this? This is a different question in which the number of times is not mentioned. So that you will ask from the user beta.
Posted my program.
Where?
in the chat box.
Okay, wait. It is wrong, beta. Who is this?
Chaitanya, but
Beta, wait, Chaitan, I have not told about taking the input of string. So don't use that, but it is correct. Right? But don't use this ss dot next. I have not told, beta. Okay?
it is for string.
I know, beta, I know. Don't worry about that. Sir doesn't know. Sir knows these things. But the thing is, you have to print your name. Now you are asking from the user to enter the name. That is not required. I told in the question, I will cut 1 marks for this. Because in the question, you need to print your name n times. So the n number of times has to take as an input, right?
Okay, sir.
See, whatever in the question is asked, that only you need to try. Don't try yourself. Don't assume the question according to your requirement or your choice. Is that clear? Bhavani, wait. Beta Bhavani, it is wrong. Bhavani. Suryansh is wrong. Krinali, it is wrong, beta. Ridhima Singer. Hurry up, everyone. See, whatever question we are doing in the class right now, please copy those questions in the fair notebook. That is very, very important. Krinali, it is also wrong. Athar, it is wrong, beta. Should I discuss this question? Sumanyu?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
have corrected my program.
Yes, sir. Please discuss.
Bhavni, it is wrong. Athar is wrong. Wait.
I have corrected my program and put it in the chat box.
Beta, Athar Rastogi, this is also wrong because you have copied only and you don't know. Chaitan is single, now it is better. Very good, beta. Athar Rastogi, you have copied and pasted only, nothing else. I cannot accept this. This is wrong. Palak Tripathi, yes, beta, absolutely fine. Very good. Shaurya Tiwari, what is this? BBB? Huh? Vardhan Singh. Who is this? Yash Vardhan Singh or Vardhan Singh? Aman Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my question? You are not posting, beta?
Sir, I was actually just writing.
Pardon?
Sir, I was writing it.
Okay. Ishan, Kashvi is wrong, beta. Aditya, it is correct. Ishan, it is wrong. Please pay attention, Ishan, you are doing absolutely wrong. I has to 1, I is less than equals to n, I plus. Then it is fine. Otherwise, it is totally wrong. Archit Verma, it is correct. See, don't copy the wrong question in your notebook. Try to understand. Watch the recording carefully. So now I am going to share my screen. Adya Saxena, it is correct. Beta, you have used the comma instead of semi-comma. So you will miss 1 marks for that. Sumanyu, it is wrong. The curly braces you have opened wrong. It is wrong, beta. N is not there. Now wait, everybody. Let me share my screen and let me discuss this question. Is it visible now, screen? Is it visible? Visible or not? Okay. So now see, in this program, first of all, user is supposed to take input. So whenever you are taking the input, the first line must be this. Everybody. After that, the scanner must be there. This is very, very important, everyone. So whenever you are taking input, so these lines must be there. And then we are asking the number of times. like n. After that, now you will ask to the user, enter number of times, how many times you wanted to print your name. So I said n times. So for that we are using this next int. Am I clear? So now the loop has to start with 1 till where? Till the last condition, or you can say the test condition, that is n here, and then I plus plus c. Let me execute this program. So whatever input you have taken, that input is the destination point. So now instead of destination point, you can write the variable also in which you have taken input. So the loop is starting from 1 semi-comma I is less than equals to n, then I plus plus. So if the value of n is 3, so it will start from 1 to 3. So for natural number, so 3 times you will get the name whatever you are giving in the double quotes. So let me show you the output. Everybody please pay attention. This is important. Everybody has, maximum of you have done wrong. Now show me the execution. Now see what message you are getting number of times. I said 4 times you wanted to print your name. So the 4 time loop is executing and you are getting your name 4 times. Am I clear everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Posted in the chat box, please check.
But now it's too late. I have already told. You can check it yourself. Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now the time for the homework. Write down the homework. Everyone. Please write down the homework. Everything I have recorded. You can watch it later also. Ishan is absolutely fine now. My next question is write a program to print all even numbers. Web to print all even numbers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Someone is mic is on. Someone is singing. I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same problem with me also, sir.
Beta no.
Sir, Athar Rastogi is singing.
Beta I am not getting any voice like that. Athar, please unmute yourself, beta. If you have unmuted. Athar, mute yourself. Now everybody please write down the question. The question is web to print all even numbers up to the limit, and this limit user has to enter from the keyboard. Got it? Got it or not? Bachcho, question is clear? Yes, wait a minute. Now I am posting the question in the chat box also. You can copy it from there. My question is to print all even number up to the limit, and that limit user has to enter. Athar, mute yourself. Athar. Everybody please note down the question. Got it? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
One more homework.
Okay.
Web to print. Web to print square of we have to print square of all natural number up to 5. Got it? Got it, everyone? Athar, please unmute yourself.
Sir, please repeat.
The question is there in the chat box. We have to print square of all natural number up to 5. Got it? Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
The attendance form, that Google attendance form is there in the GCR. Please fill it. And now, with this, I am ending the class. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye, बच्चों. बेटा stop.